Hello traders. Today we are looking at the Jazib Eagle V5 Indicator for MetaTrader 4, and I'll show you how this multi-signal dashboard tool works on your chart. I'll load the indicator on the chart now so you can see how it looks in real time. While loading it up, don't forget to allow DLL imports. Now once applied, the Jazib Eagle V5 Indicator displays a comprehensive dashboard on your chart that may include trend direction, readings, signal arrows, and status panels for multiple time frames or indicators. As we can see on the chart, the Jazib Eagle V5 has a dashboard that shows the win rate for wins and loss, the amount and profit, and the time. Now if we go forward, we can see arrows indicating the movement of the trend. Right here we see a downward arrow before a downtrend, and it also has these two bands for the upper and lower levels. This visual layout is designed to give you a consolidated view of several market conditions at a glance, with color-coded elements to differentiate between bullish and bearish assessments. Now let's look at the settings. We have a bot, and we also have the expiration type. Either it can be manual or in time frame. And if in time frame, the number of candles and the expiry minutes. We have the backtest bar, that's the number of bars for backtesting, and the trade amount. And also adjust the color of the oscillator and bands. Now, who is it for? The indicator is aimed at traders who prefer a comprehensive dashboard approach on MetaTrader 4, combining multiple analytical views into one tool. It's a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trade. This dashboard indicator is a simple information tool that helps traders see the win rate and the amount of profit or loss made. It's all important, however, to focus on the elements most relevant to your strategy and always confirm signals independently. Now, if you look closer, you can see this purple oscillator line. It works similar to a moving average, meaning if it falls below the price, indicates an uptrend, and if it rises above, it indicates a downtrend. Can also be used as dynamic support or resistance. When combined with the arrows, it is important confirmation. That is going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. This is the Forex Geek, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications for more future content. I'll see you in the next one.